Ke Jingjulor ki Tiar ke Tnad Sports and Youth Affairs ke Sarkar Jela kalau poi shadu ke Klur saulak tingkal la pentip u director ke Tnad u diki di shira ha ke jaya gran wat ki lat pathai kubor ha ke jan med jong ke khat santrik u kelalengkot arajar apon riu. Kedi ke jing pentip kalau wan hadirin kat tu kat ni kenta hadirin ke jing kemding ke Kamra ha Shillong Engineering College ha malai kentan masa ha ke por kumbah nyo BJA. Ketika Kamra kedai ke belah pendan kam banbu sipor ya ki Tiar ke Tnad Sports kum ki tusok ki jan siang tia bat ki we pat. La suba jor bakani ke ding kalami na ke jing thot ke boarding electric ha ki te ki benta. Mario yo jing tip ya kani ke jing ja ki kali pelip ding ki lahir mar se ketika jaka bantam ya ke ding shua bakan por se ki we pat ki Kamra. Kam hadian ki bor penyahat ketika college lem ki officer na ke Tnad PWD buildings ki lahir ban jurep ha ketika college.
In the fire incident which occurred in Shillong Engineering College, Meghalaya, today morning, most of the items which were destroyed belong to the sports department. The items destroyed were quilt with covers totaling about 5,500, bed sheets about 7,400. Pillow covers about 8,000 and towels about 1,500 numbers. These items were being kept in the Shillong Engineering College temporarily while our own storage facility was being made in Atiar Stadium. We were about to ship all these items next week, but unfortunately this incident happened. These items are being used for the events of the sports department, events like Northeast Games, Meghalaya Games, youth exchange programs, and Subrata Cup tournaments. And the total damage due to today's fire incident will be about 1 crore 4 lakhs. But fortunately, we could salvage some items like about 2,200 bunk beds, 4,500 mattresses, 3,000 buckets, 2,500 mugs, and about 450 mattresses. So this is the story about the damage in the fire incident which occurred in Shillong Engineering College.
Why make the department to keep this material in the Shillong Engineering College?
Number one is before the Shillong Engineering College started to function, we used the completed building to use it as accommodation for all our events, and then we requested education department to use it as a storage facility for sports department temporarily while we are developing our own storage facility.
Habatin page bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.